All right, how's it going, YouTube? This is a 4S China Hobby, 4S single pack. That's what's in there. Hope you guys see that. So what I did was, to this last, it had broke this rear shaft. I went ahead and put one of those. We're gonna go ahead and see today if it holds up. I also went ahead and put that ESC from the Losi in here, and I took the 6S ESC out and put it in there. Cause I don't run this on 6S. I did the other day, but it's a bit too much for it. So we're gonna go ahead and run it on 4S. See what's going on. Let's go ahead and get it tuned up. Right. Steering a little off. Definitely got some punch though. Straight to the big jump. That was a rough one. Oh, oh, that was a quick run. And I was on my fault too. What a break, what a break. All a part of the game, man. All a part of the game. So, I didn't even brake. If y'all can see that, oh, I did brake. Okay. So, let me go ahead and show y'all what broke. I actually lost a pin too. Hopefully I can find that right here. So, my screws broke inside of the front bulkhead. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get those out. And this popped off. That's about it. Other than that, she good. ESC popped off. I'm gonna have to fix up. It was a good run though. That 4S pack definitely got some power. Gave it some oomph. She coming up every touch of the throttle. I'm gonna definitely get this back out. I don't know if I'm gonna even fix this, cause I gotta. I think I would just go RPM with it. You know, anything that break, I go RPM. But hope y'all enjoyed. It was a good little run with the T-Maxx. Ooh, I didn't even see that. Look at that, fellas. Look at that. That thing bent all the way. Anyway, I got way more of these. Got extra parts. I got extra front bulkheads, but I'm gonna go with RPM. My rear is holding up right, so I'm gonna do the same to the front. Anyway, thank you guys for tuning in. More to come from this.